Tammy Slaton stepping out for charity has become one of the most talked about topics among reality TV fans and followers of the TLC hit series, as the star who once struggled to even leave her home is now stepping confidently into public life for a cause that truly matters. This marks a huge transformation, not just in her physical appearance but also in her mental and emotional journey, showing the world how far she has come since the early seasons of the show, when mobility, health and confidence were major struggles for the Kentucky native. Tammy Slaton was first introduced to audiences as one half of the Slaton sisters alongside her sister Amy, who together captured hearts with their candid struggles with extreme weight, obesity-related health conditions and the desire to reclaim their lives. Now, in a stunning twist, Tammy has not only achieved incredible weight loss progress after her bariatric surgery journey, but she is also channeling her newfound energy and confidence into charitable efforts, appearing at a public event dedicated to raising awareness and funds for causes close to her heart. Witnesses at the charity event were stunned to see Tammy walking with poise, mingling with supporters and taking photos, all while wearing a stylish outfit that reflected her slimmer frame and radiant personality. Fans on social media quickly reacted to the photos and videos circulating online, praising Tammy for her courage and generosity, with many pointing out that her public step into charity RK proves that her transformation goes far beyond the physical weight loss. According to insiders, the event, which took place in Kentucky, attracted both local supporters and some traveling fans of the show who were eager to catch a glimpse of the reality star in person. Tammy reportedly participated in a meet and greet as part of the charity fundraiser and spoke briefly about the importance of giving back to the community, especially after receiving so much support from fans during her own health crisis journey. She highlighted how overwhelming it was to see the love people showed her online during her recovery and how now she feels ready to channel that energy toward helping others. While the exact details of the charity's proceeds and goals remain under wraps, sources close to Tammy shared that the event aimed to raise funds for healthcare-related assistance programs focusing on people struggling with obesity, mental health and chronic conditions, areas Tammy herself is deeply connected to through her own experience. This appearance marks a turning point for Tammy Slaton, who in past seasons of 1000 lb Sisters was often seen battling isolation, depression and the fear that she might never reclaim her independence. Her recent evolution has been inspiring to watch, with fans following every step of her post-surgery journey through social media updates, TikTok clips and the latest season of the TLC series. The buzz online following her charity outing has been electric, with fans flooding comment sections with words of encouragement and pride, calling her an inspiration and celebrating her newfound commitment to doing good in the world. Commentators have also noted how this move could signal a new chapter in her life, where she blends her reality TV presence with meaningful community impact. Even speculate that this may lead to more public appearances, speaking engagements or partnerships with health and wellness organizations eager to collaborate with someone who truly understands the struggles of weight loss surgery and the mental resilience it requires. Tammy's transformation didn't happen overnight. Her journey was filled with setbacks, hospitalizations and moments of doubt, but seeing her step out for a charity event with confidence has given hope to fans who might be facing similar battles and wondering if change is possible. She has become a living example that with determination, support and the right medical guidance, one can completely turn their life around and make a difference not only for themselves but for others too. In interviews leading up to this moment, Tammy hinted that she wanted to use her platform for positive influence, sharing that her goal was no longer just about her own health but about motivating others to keep fighting for theirs. Now, with this charity appearance, she has made good on that promise, as news outlets and fan pages continue to circulate coverage of her stepping out for charity. The broader conversation around Tammy has shifted dramatically. Instead of focusing on her past struggles and the negative headlines that often surrounded her, the spotlight is now firmly on her accomplishments, her courage and her willingness to uplift others by participating in meaningful causes. Some attendees described Tammy as glowing and approachable, noting that she spent considerable time interacting with people, taking pictures and even offering words of encouragement to those who shared their own weight loss or health journeys. The sense of community and mutual support was palpable, making the event not only a fundraising success but also an emotional experience for everyone present. One of the most touching moments reportedly came when a young fan approached Tammy to thank her for sharing her story on television, explaining that seeing her fight through obstacles gave them the motivation to take their own health seriously. Witnesses say Tammy Up hugged the fan and reminded them that every step forward, no matter how small, counts. This human connection is perhaps the most powerful impact Tammy has now as someone who has walked the hard path and come out the other side stronger than ever. Moving forward, fans are eager to see if this charity appearance is just the beginning of a new era for the 1000 LB Sisters star. There is speculation that future episodes of the series may feature her giving back more actively and using her platform to advocate for health awareness, charitable initiatives and body positivity in a world where reality TV often focuses on drama and controversy. Tammy Slaton's choice to step out for charity sends a positive message of resilience, compassion and growth. It demonstrates that even after years of struggle and public scrutiny, it is possible to redefine oneself and make a lasting difference for others. In conclusion, Tammy Slaton's appearance at the charity event is more than just a public outing. It is a milestone in her life and a symbol of her remarkable transformation as she steps into this new chapter. Fans and supporters will undoubtedly continue cheering her on, inspired by her journey from surviving to thriving and now to giving back in a way that touches countless lives. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.